What's up guys, today we're making a beat for Travis Scott. So first of all, we get these 4 components here. These are made using GMS and it's free. And this is a loop kit that I made and it's also free. And I got also other loop kits that are also free, so you guys can check it out. This will make your process way easier. And if you guys like my melody, you can use it for free. And let's start off with the synth. First synth, we're at 160 BPM, F minor. So just tune it up 200 cents, D sharp. So just count 1 to 2, D sharp, E, F, and we are at F minor now. This is already pretty full because this is a full melody from another melody and I reverse it, and then so sounds already full, but let's add more components to it. We got the synth 2. This is like a piano pluck. That's like a bong bong bong. You will hear it, guys. Bong 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 bang 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 bang. And then we get another synth 3. This is like a stab. Wow. And then we get ARP. This is a dum. Hey, what's up? Another me here. Today we're just gonna go through the melody that I made. And then, first of all, I told you guys, bro, GMS, the GOAT free plugin. So this is the loop I made. I told you guys earlier. I just tuned it 400 cents to make new melodies. And then we got GMS. This is the Midnight 2 TE basis. So this is like a minor chord already. Just press minor. And there you go. Don't. And then this one, I just turn it down a little bit. So make it more dark. The closer the notes are, the darker, the more tension they have. So it's like this. You see, oh, it's very dark, it's very tensiony. And then we got another, the stab. Remember guys, I get it from Pad Deep Feelings. This is a preset. And there you go. Oh. And then this one. Just follow the chord progression and you will have a good day. And then for GMS number 3, we add log drum. Oh, pretty like old video game type. And then we added growth speed, like a half speed, because you see here it will be super fast. So I add a half speed, and then they all like mixed already. So it's like this. Full melody. Alright, back to you, another me. And then we get a clap in. Bop. Okay. You see, this is too loud, so tune it down. And then just add an EQ. Look how the lows. Way better, guys. And then we add a hi-hat. So how to make hat rolls? So you just draw a note here. And then if it's more like this, you can just drag it. And then what we need to do, highlight this note, Control A, and then press Alt A. And then you get the arpeggiator. And then you can just drag this knob here to make how fast you want to be. You want to be super fast. It will be like zzz. And then just select what you want, guys. that can suit your beat here. And then this is a slow hat roll, and this is a fast one. And then what we need, we add an open hat. So this open hat is reversed. Just click this, and if there are like space in the beginning, guys, like this, you need to use this to drag out, cut out the space, and then click reverse, like this. And then we add another open hat. This is a normal one. It's the same one, but isn't reversed. And then we add a snare. This is like a perk, more like a percussion, not the drug. And I added a tune it down 12 semitones. It's just like 1 octave lower. And this is pretty bouncy already. And then we add another L8. This is a slack L8. So if you guys don't know how to check the L8s, first of all, make sure it is turned to cut itself, or else they will stack. Oh, they will stack like this. So just click cut itself, and then it will cut itself, guys. And then second is to make sure it is in key. So click this L8, and then right click on the sound wave, and then click edit in pitch corrector, and then you will see if it is not in C, you can tune it back by clicking this wrench here, and if it's like in D, you press T, right click, there you go, and it will be in tune. But this is C in this case, so we don't need to do that. So it's just like a L8 that follows the root note. There you go. And then we end on the kick. The bop bop bop. To follow the same as here, yes.